各位朋友，大家好，我係 Judy S，歡迎嚟到408 Home and Loan。又到20號啦喎，咁我哋咧就每個月嘅20號咧就會同大家更新下我哋灣區26個城市嗰個房屋嘅走勢嘅。咁咧就包括獨立房屋 single family home 個市場上有幾多存庫啦，有幾多係有 offer 嘅，同埋咧30日之內賣出去嘅價錢同埋開價嘅比較嘅。咁我哋咧亦都會講下唔係 single family home，即係唔係 single family home 咧，就包括condo 啦、townhouse 啦，同埋嗰啲 do 嗰啲嘅。咁咧就一樣係會睇下佢嗰個inventory 同埋咧有幾多係會賣得出去嘅。咁當然亦都係會睇下佢嗰個開價同埋咧賣出去嘅價錢嘅比較嘅。咁咧就包括我哋26個城市嘅。嗱，你睇到嘅咧就係呢啲資料咧，全部係 MOS，就係到今日為止，咁我哋亦都可以同上個月去做一個比較嘅。嗱，紅色呢個 column 咧就係最新嘅資料，咁樣咧就第一個咧就係聖荷西，咁咧聖荷西咧就獨立房屋咧就依家咧喺個 inventory 咧就有605間屋，咁咧就係賣出去即係 pending 嘅咧係291。咁咧就有48%嘅屋咧就係賣得到出去，咁即係意思即係話有52%嘅 inventory 咧係未有 offer 嘅。咁咧就對比上個月咧就係73%賣咗出去，咁所以咧呢個月咧喺聖荷西咧係 slow 咗嘅嚇，即係offer 係少咗嘅，但係 inventory 多咗話605，咁佢上個月都係439。咁所以咧就係 inventory 多咗，offer 嘅人少咗，咁所以嗰個absorption rate 咧就係得48%嘅啫。咁但係咧就賣出去嘅咧就389間屋賣咗嘅咧，就平均開價咧就165萬、167萬，賣出去咧就係178萬，咁都係有 overbid 咗多咗6.6%嘅。咁就係上一次咧就係overbid 係8%嘅，呢個就 single family home 嘅。咁唔係 single family home 咧，就喺個市場做咧就有443間屋，對比上個月咧就378嘅啫。咁 offer 咧就得133，咁上個月咧都有157嘅。咁所以佢個 offer 即係有人俾 offer 嘅對比嗰個 active 嘅 inventory 咧係得30%嘅啫。咁即係個市場度有70%嘅屋咧仲係未有 offer 嘅。咁咧佢賣出去嘅咧就30日之內賣出去就180間condo townhouse 即係唔係 single family home 嘅，咁平均開價咧就係88萬，賣出去咧係90萬，就 overbid 咧就係1.81%嘅。呢個就係聖荷西嘅。咁Sunnyvale 咧，咁我哋為咗慳時間咧就唔詳細講咁多，就係講佢嗰個 absorption rate，即係佢嗰個pending 除嗰個 active 嘅 inventory。咁咧就呢一期咧就係92%嘅，咁上一次咧就96%，咁咧就係差少少，但係 very good 喺 Sunnyvale 就係92%屋都可以賣得到出去嘅。咁佢個 overbid 咧係17%，依家 closing 嘅 price 咧就已經係280萬啦。condo 咧就差啲得37.9%嘅屋係賣得到出去嘅。個 condo 嘅賣出去價錢係151萬，overbid 2.71%。Mountain View 咧就50%嘅屋就有 offer 嘅。咁依家平均咧就係賣出去價錢已經係2.62個 million 噶啦。condo 咧就得35%嘅屋係賣得到出去嘅。平均嘅賣出去嘅 condo 嗰啲咧就係137萬嘅。Santa Clara 咧係比上個月好嘅，係69%嘅屋係賣咗有 offer 嘅。平均咧就係overbid 咧12%嘅。咁 condo 咧就係差啲啦，得22%嘅屋係賣得到嘅啫。Cupertino 咧已經係比明顯上一個月咧就係差咗噶啦。上個月咧就93%嘅屋賣得到出去，今呢個月咧就得51%嘅啫。 咁佢平均嘅賣出去價錢已經係到390萬啦。唔係 single family home 咧，就得61%嘅屋係賣得到出去嘅啫。喺 Cupertino，佢嗰個開價咧就138萬，賣出去138萬，係低嘅嚇。開價咧就係賣出去價錢係比開價跌咗嘅，喺 Cupertino condo townhouse 嚟講。Saratoga 咧亦都係有進步嘅，72%，差唔多73%屋係賣得係有 offer 嘅。咁賣出去價錢已經係396萬啦，overbid 係10%嘅。condo 咧就差啲得58%係賣得到出去嘅啫。Palo Alto 咧亦都係51%係有 offer。唔係 single family home 咧得18%嘅啫。Los Gatos 咧就31% single family home 咧係有 offer 嘅，唔係 single family home 咧得36%嘅啫。Milpitas 咧亦都係好差啦，比上個月得35%嘅屋係有 offer 嘅。Condo 咧就46%，Fremont 咧亦都係得45%嘅屋係有 offer 嘅，唔係 single family home 咧得27%係有 offer 嘅啫。希活咧亦都係差咗36%係有 offer 嘅。唔係 single family home 咧得28%嘅啫。San Lorenzo 咧就比上個月好嘅，係76%嘅屋係有 offer 嘅。condo 咧就係一半50%。咁 San Leandro 咧就差咗啦，44%嘅屋係有 offer，咁唔係 single family home 得19%嘅啫。Castro Valley 咧就47%嘅屋係有 offer，唔係 single family home 咧就得33%嘅啫。Livermore 咧就有52%嘅屋咧係有 offer，唔係 single family home 咧得28%嘅啫。Oakland 咧就係35%嘅屋咧係有offer 嘅，唔係 single family home 咧得15%嘅啫。Berkeley 咧就43% single family home 有 offer，唔係 single family home 得38%嘅啫。Pleasanton 咧就42% single family home 有 offer，唔係 single family home 咧就得39%嘅啫。Dublin 咧就40%嘅屋係有 offer，唔係 single family home 咧得32%嘅啫。San Ramon 咧就35%係有 offer，唔係 single family home 咧得21%嘅啫。Concord 咧就57%。係有 offer，咁咧唔係 single family home 咧得31%嘅啫。San Mateo 咧都唔錯啊，86%係比上個月好咗嘅。佢 offer 嘅number 咧係51，咁依家喺個市場度咧係59，咁所以佢係唔錯嘅。唔係 single family home 咧就差好多啦，得22%嘅啫。River City 咧係45%咧就係有 offer，唔係 single family home 得1/4嘅啫。Foster City 咧亦都係有進步咗嘅，比上個月70%嘅屋咧係有 offer 嘅，唔係 single family home 咧得29%嘅啫。三藩市咧就亦都係比上個月好啲，上個月得33%，呢一個月咧有39%嘅 single family home 咧係有 offer 嘅，咁咧就 condo townhouse 嗰啲咧就得21%嘅啫。總體嚟講咧都係比上個月跌咗嘅，係得幾個城市咧係比較 activity 比較多啲，即係 offer 有 offer，咁即係大部分咧都仲未係有 offer 嘅，咁即係證明個市場咧繼續孤單啊！嗱，呢一個咧就係呢一期26個城市嗰個房屋嘅銷售嘅情況。如果你喺個市場度，你應該都感覺到係咪多咗 inventory 同埋咧offer 嘅人少咗咧？咁希望你可以同我哋 share 下你睇到嘅情況係咪同我哋呢個資料係 match 啦？咁我哋就下次見啦，拜拜。